Hi everyone, welcome to your 2025 Mid-Island Real Estate Market Recap covering Nanaimo, Parksville, Qualicum Beach, and the Cowichan Valley. Let's take a look at how the year unfolded across Vancouver Island's most sought-after communities. Across the Mid-Island region, the market held steady in 2025. The sale to list price ratio came in at 98%, showing sellers remain close to their asking price. The average sale price across all property types reached $832,245, at 3.28% increase over 2024, reflecting continued confidence in the island lifestyle. Homes spent an average of 48 days on market, and we saw 3,637 total sales, keeping activity almost level with 2024. Now let's break it down by area. So let's start with Nanaimo single-family homes. They stayed strong with a 98% sale to list price ratio and an average sale price of $890,440, up about 1% year over year. Homes moved in about 43 days and 1,158 properties sold. This marks about an 8% increase in activity. Condos and townhomes remained stable with a 98% sale to list price ratio and an average sale price of $499,136, up about 1% year over year. Condos and townhomes moved in about 45 days and 479 properties sold, marking a 9% decrease in activity versus the prior year. Lots and acreages averaged at $503,472, a 15% decrease versus 2024. And sale to price list ratio remained stable at 96%, with 45 listings sold in 2025. The average days on market was about 45 days, and this was down about 3% from 2024. Moving on to Parksville and Qualicum Beach, single-family homes. The average sale price came in at $1,076,910, up slightly from 2024 with a 98% sale to list price ratio with 737 sales and 46 days average time on market. The condos and townhomes in Oceanside saw a healthy 5% price increase, averaging $611,183 with a 90% sale to list price ratio. Average days of market was about 56 days, up about 10% from 2024. 248 units sold, down 20% from the previous year. And with lots and acreages in Oceanside, the average $542,841, up about 4% versus 2024. Sales to list price ratio of 9%. Up slightly from last year, and 37 lots sold, unchanged from the prior year. Average days on the market was up 5% to 100 days on market. And lastly, let's move on to the Cowichan Valley, which remained one of the island's most balanced markets. And let's start with single-family homes. So in Cowichan Valley, single-family homes averaged $898,802, up about 4% from the previous year. A sale to list price ratio of 97%, unchanged from 2024. 779 units sold. Average days on market was 53 days. Now, condos and townhomes in the Cowichan Valley averaged $471,335. This was down slightly from 2024 with a sale to list price ratio of 97%, and 236 units sold, down 7% from 2024. Average days on market was 59 days. Now, lots and acreages in the Cowichan Valley saw a notable increase of 16% in sales price at $503,541 with a sale to list price ratio of 94%, down slightly from last year, and days on market was down 23% at 102 days. So I know this was a lot to take in, but overall 2025 showed stability, modest price growth, and steady demand across the Mid-Island region. So whether you're planning to buy, sell, or invest in 2026, understanding these trends will help you make a confident and informed decision. So thanks for joining me for this year. I know it's a lot of information, and I hope this recap was very helpful. And here's to a strong and exciting year ahead, and Happy New Year to everyone.